I want to mention what might seem an elementary issue this evening, but it is actually more than that. The call by Reggae Boys coach Jaime Hagrimson for the Jamaican football fans to support the team as they begin this brand new journey into the future. Obviously, I fully agree with the coach, but there is an important lesson for the new coach to learn quick and fast about Jamaican football fans, and it is that they are Wagonists. I don't know if they have Wagonist fans in Iceland, but Coach Hagrimson need to know that Jamaican fans will support the team when they win, but the moment they start to lose, stadium empty. Like these games against Trinidad, we cannot afford to lose. Win the games, coach, and you win the Jamaican fans. If we start losing and losing, wagon empty and stadium empty, it is what it is. Yes. And the sad thing about it is that to have any chance of getting back to the World Cup, we're gonna need home advantage. And to maximize home advantage, we need loud and vocal support from the Jamaican fans. Yes. Otherwise, the Reggae Boys will always be playing one shot. We are playing with 11 when we're supposed to play with 12. Yes.